Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing an experiment from the Amazing Reaction chemistry set. And then the experiment is called Reveal a Message and Hide a Message. So first, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to spray citric acid and water mixed together on the piece of paper. But first, you're gonna want to write your secret message. See, I wrote down my secret message. Now, to reveal the message, I'm gonna spray it. So it's turning red. And then this was my secret message. Now, so the word was subscribe. Okay, so now to hide the message, you're going to want to pour water into a small cup. And then you're going to want to pour baking soda into a scoop. Now you're gonna wanna take a foam and you're gonna put it inside of your baking soda with citric acid and water. Now to hide your secret message, you're gonna dab it again, so it should turn back to yellow or blue. And that's how you hide your secret message. This is so I hid the word subscribe, as you can see. So thank you for watching the video. Bye guys.